a peaceful night. A mom, dad, and their baby all asleep together. But wait, dad starts snoring. The mom and baby try to sleep, but it's impossible with that noise. The baby's eyes shoot open. What happens next will blow your mind. The little one raises his tiny hand and slaps dad across the face, silent at last. But wait, just when you think the snoring is done, dad starts snoring again. The baby is seriously mad. What does it do? The baby delivers a series of slaps, slap, and slap. Mom bursts out laughing. If you love your dad, like the video and subscribe. And if you don't, well, you still love your dad, so comment with how many years you want him to live.